Protecting your payments. Wire fraud security training. If you help approve or process payments in any way, this training is here to protect you, your work, and your organization. Wire fraud impacts companies of every size, and attackers rely on simple human trust to succeed. These next few minutes will walk you through the habits that dramatically reduce that risk. Please watch closely and apply these steps to all future payment activity. A little caution goes a long way. If you handle wire transfers, ACH payments, or vendor payments in any way, this applies to you. And here is why this matters. People in your position are the most targeted inside any organization. Most wire fraud does not start with hacking, it starts with trust. A normal-looking email, a familiar vendor name, a routine request, sometimes even the correct email address because the real vendor was already compromised. This is how financially crippling losses happen quietly without a single alarm going off. Once money is wired, it is usually gone. Not delayed, not frozen, gone. There is no undo button. And that is why prevention is the only defense that actually works. Scenario 1. Vendor bank change request. You receive an email from a vendor you've worked with for years. Same name, same logo, same tone. They tell you their bank account has changed and that you need to update it. There is a PDF attached that looks identical to previous versions. Question: what should you do? A. Reply to the email and ask for confirmation. B. Call the phone number inside the email. C. Update the banking details because the email looks legitimate. D. Verify the change using a trusted internal contact or the vendor's official website. The correct answer is D. You never trust the contact information inside the email. You verify using a trusted source only. On the phone, read back the bank numbers, but intentionally swap 2 digits. If they correct you right away, you can continue carefully. If they do not notice, pivot to an additional check. Ask them to repeat the account or routing number back to you. If they're just blindly agreeing to potentially fraudulent information, they won't be able to repeat the incorrect numbers back. If they can't repeat them accurately, that's your signal to pause and take an alternative verification route. This habit has stopped countless fraud attempts. Rule 1. Never verify a payment change using the email itself. Never reply to the email. Never call the number inside it. Ever. Instead, use a trusted internal contact. The trusted contact can be outside of finance. It could be someone in marketing who could route you to their finance department. Or go directly to the vendor's official website and call their main public number. When you reach them, read back the bank details and use the 2-digit swap. If they correct you, that is a good integrity check. If they do not, stop the payment immediately. Scenario 2. Executive impersonation. You receive a message that appears to be from your CEO or owner. They say they are in a meeting and need a confidential wire sent immediately. Because the message appears to come from leadership, you should move quickly and avoid interrupting them. Question: do you send? Yes or no? Correct answer is no. Urgency is the red flag. Executives do not bypass controls. Pressure is how attackers try to override your judgment. Verify using a known, trusted channel. If you cannot verify directly, the payment does not move. Period. Rule 2. Payment approvers are gatekeepers. Before approving any payment change, 3 things must be true. It was verified by phone using a trusted number. The person requesting the change is real and known. And the timing, amount, and urgency make business sense. Your job is not speed. Your job is safeguarding the organization with due diligence. Rule 3. Separation of duties applies everywhere. The person who sets up the payment must not be the same person who approves it. One person controlling both is not effective. It is a single point of failure. If you are the approver, your role is more than clicking yes. You must confirm that the person who set up the payment actually performed the verification call. Not assumed, not implied, confirmed. It's a team effort to keep attackers' hands off your organization's money. 2 people, 2 roles, 1 line of defense. Rule 4. Do not open attachments or click on links. If you were not expecting a document, do not open it. When you receive an unexpected attachment, you have 2 safe options. Call the sender using a trusted number to confirm it is legitimate, or forward the file into a system that automatically scans for malware, such as an accounts payable platform with built-in security screening. Never log into a payment platform through a link inside an email. Always navigate to the site using your normal, trusted path. Type the address yourself or use a known safe access point. Many breaches begin as fake legal notices or overdue invoices no one was expecting. They look boring. They look routine. They are not. Rule 5. Confirm your coverage actually includes payment fraud. Many cyber insurance policies limit or exclude wire fraud and social engineering. If you do not know exactly what is covered, you are exposed. Ask directly about vendor impersonation, payment diversion, and business email compromise. Do not assume, confirm. Remember, wire fraud is often good people trusting the wrong request. The person on the other side of that email is not always who you think they are. If there is one habit to take from this training, let it be this: pause. Never verify payment changes through email. Never trust urgency. Always verify by phone using a trusted number. Never allow the same person to both set up and approve a payment. Never click links to access payment platforms. Wire fraud succeeds when routine replaces verification. The safest payment is the one that gets questioned. The smartest way to wire money is to have controls in place that protect it.